If you don't have a paid version of ChatGPT, you do not see what I'm seeing up here on the left-hand side. I don't believe you have projects, or you might have projects, but you only have small capability. This is where, okay, so I'll give you an example of a repeatable prompt. I do my Bible study every morning. Okay, so I read my Bible, I listen to it with headphones on while I'm reading the Bible. But then I go in and I say, okay, I want you, today I read Mark 9. And I say, okay, so uh, actually, what I gave it to work on was John. So I told it, and we're setting up the way I want it. So if I tell, so what I want it to do, this is my Bible Scholar. So this is, if you look in the left-hand corner, it's my Bible Scholar companion. I just tell it, look, today I read chapter 15 of John. And then it just takes and gives me the bullet points of what Jesus wanted me to teach, wanted me to learn from John chapter 15. And number 2, abiding in his love gives me the lesson. Number 3, the command to love one another gives me the lesson. Number 4, the world. So this is all of chapter 15 summarized. And then at the bottom, it gives me the 7 things it wants me to walk away with. Is that cool? That's a repeatable prompt. Okay, so I have a 1100 IQ Bible scholar sitting beside me at 4 a.m. in the morning when I read the Bible now.